Well, this is obviously the chef, except these aren't because she's dairy free. We got
But I might have one.
the M&Ms.
But then there's no
And
other
obviously
way.
we got gluten-free brownie
That's
because
also a
Scarlett's
nutrition.
technically gluten-free.
Firstly, I'm cooking these shakachangi, which is actually made by
Snackachangi?
oh, and then also strawberries because
Essentials.
yeah, life necessity, and also blueberries.
Essentials.
So you know,
Getting that fruit and veg in.
that is sensational.
There you go. The current life update. We made it.
Original Foods Baking Co. Sponsor us, we love you.
What should we rate this brownie?
10 out of 10. It's moist.
Oh.
Look at that. That is amazing.
These blueberries, 9 out of 10. So. Oh my god. Is this the way you do it? What the fuck? What is embarrassing? I have secondhand embarrassment. Turn around.
I'm coming up to you. I definitely think it's gonna fly at
So cute. Tell Scarlett to answer her phone from
Who?
Charlie. Yo, what did you want to say?
Have fun. See you later.
Bye.
Bye.
Oh, I totally walked into that branch.
This top is from Triangle. I have the matching bottoms from Triangle.
This
Yeah.
top is from Glassons. And I have not the matching bottoms, but bottoms
you
from
get that?
Glassons.
So, plan is we want to go for a swim. But does that look safe to you? You tell us.
Does that look inviting?
I think we should just do it anyway. Go!
We are now leaving the fucking beach! See how smart I am? Putting my stuff up high on dry rocks. This is just...
Oh my! We did go to Chance's though. I got sex wax and a lip balm, but it's at the bottom of this bag. So, but I did get a shell. Currently on the ferry. I have no shame. The tropical cyclone storm thing coming, and so it's really rocky. This is the custom keyring that I got made for Becca. We have fries, and then we have a bead for boobs, and then we have potato chips. That's a really nice photo. I got this keyring. Oh no, browning lotion. No promo. We're wearing the same color top and shorts. How embarrassing.
No, it's cool.
We're so sorry.
We're so in sync.
It's an okay obsession. It's an
It's not hurting anyone. Just our bank accounts.
Yeah.
Which way have you got your waves? The wave way? Wow. Great answer.
A doubt in my mind.
Oh.
Oh.
Oh, it's cute. There's a dead seagull.
Is there?